A full-blown water filtration system is expensive, we get it. This is why today, we'll help convert your potentially harmful tap water into a chemical-free and tastier drink while sticking to a budget. Sounds interesting? Well, say hello to the finest water filter pitchers in 2023. A pitcher for water filtration is a portable countertop solution for getting pure water. You simply need to add some tap water to it and then let the device work its magic. While using a water filtration dispenser is easy, buying one isn't exactly so. With so many options available in the market, it can be hard to find something that works well and delivers a good bang for your buck. So, let's help you with this dilemma. Number 1. Poro Water Filter Pitcher. Equal parts aesthetic and functional, this water filter pitcher from Enhance Your Living boasts a 1.3-liter capacity. The elegant glass bottle has an aesthetic top that can be used to control your pour and avoid spillage. Under this cap is a carbon filter that, according to Enhance Your Living, filters 4 times faster and 10 times more efficiently than competing water filtering dispensers. You can expect to filter around 211 gallons of water with this filter before it needs replacement. That translates to about 2 months of daily use. While there's a lot to like about this pick, we particularly loved how easy to use it is. You can use it just like a normal water bottle and expect premium filtration each time you pour through it. This ease of use has earned this water filter bottle the top spot on our list. Number 2. Zero Water Water Filter Pitcher. The Zero Water Pitcher is designed to do the filtration job very quickly without missing any contaminant. The ergonomic handle and ready pour technology make it a great option when you are in a hurry. Zero Water is so sure about the performance of their water filter pitcher, that they even offer a laboratory-grade TDS meter in the package. You can use this to verify the total dissolved solids, TDS, score of the filtered water. Removes 99% of total dissolved solids, TDS, for the purest tasting water. TDS are organic and inorganic materials such as pesticides, metals including lead and mercury, minerals, salts, and ions. Furthermore, it is BPA-free and NSF verified for being effective against lead, chromium, and other heavy metals. This option is also pretty easy to assemble. It comes in 11 size variations including a 5-gallon chug, 20 to 40 cups dispenser, 3-pack 8-pack bundles, and others. However, all of them give equally clean water as they use the same 5-layer filter system. Number 3. Amazon Basics Water Filter Pitcher. This water filter pitcher is WQA verified to reduce the taste and smell of copper, mercury, chlorine, and benzene, and offer pure quality water. It has a maximum capacity to fill 24-ounce bottles thrice. The ergonomic features of this water pitcher are just outstanding. The secure lid design helps you to fill effortlessly without wasting any content. Gold Seal certified by the Water Quality Association against NSF/ANSI standards 42 and 53. Certified to reduce chlorine taste and odor, copper, mercury and benzene. BPA-free. Moreover, it can be efficiently placed on a refrigerator shelf due to the space-saving construction. Amazon offers this product in 3 options: 3-pack filters, 6-pack filters, and a water pitcher with filter, each filter lasting for 2 months on average. The only downside is it is not compatible with many dispensers except for Brita. Number 4. Brita Water Filter Pitcher. The Brita Water Pitcher is one of the most top-quality yet budget-friendly options out there. It has a good capacity to store 10 cups or 3 24-ounces bottles. Due to its extremely space-efficient sizing, it can easily sit on refrigerator shelves without occupying much space. The easy-fill lid design eliminates the hassle of refilling. Plus, there's a sticker to let you know when you should refill it. With its advanced filtration system, this water pitcher is proven to eliminate several metals from water including chlorine, lead, copper, mercury, benzene, cadmium, asbestos, and so on. It also does taste and odor adjustments for chlorine. The Legacy and Long Last water pitchers allow the filter to last for 2 and 6 months, respectively, before it needs replacement. Number 5. Water Drop Water Filter Pitcher. The pitcher is made out of NSF 42 certified and NSF 372 verified materials without lead. It also makes chlorine adjustments to improve the taste and odor of the filtered water. The multi-layer filtration cleanses water from impurities like arsenic, chlorine, and fluoride. Also, the spout lid blocks dust and other dirt particles from entering the pitcher and ruining the water quality. This water pitcher has a smart fill indicator that automatically observes and tells you for how long you've been using the filter on the LED display. The automatic lid design allows you to refill the pitcher without having to take off the lid. This long-lasting filter covers 200 gallons of water, and the chubby water pitcher accounts for over 1,600 to 16 ounces bottles before you need to replace it.